welcome to Arman Space. My name is Arman Gothal. Today I'm going to show you a magic origami trick. So you see a box which is green inside and skin outside. When I flip over, it turns into a box which is skin inside and green outside. Ta-da! Wait, don't go. It can also turn into a octahedron. Well, it's a side view. One side and the two side. You want all 8 sides? Full 8 sides. And I can also turn it into a octahedron which is green in color. And now I'm going to show you how to make it. You will need color and paper. Color is optional because if you have a paper which is different color on both sides, you will not need it. For this origami, you will need a square paper. First, fold it in half. Crease very sharply. Unfold, rotate and fold it in half in this direction. Unfold. Fold the edges to the middle. Now you have to fold this edge up about your index finger. Then you have to fold this point to the midsection. And as you do that, make sure first this don't slide, does not slide, and it should end on this point right here. Turn over, fold this edge to this edge, aligning it with this edge. Now fold this edge to this edge, aligning it with this edge, and rotate. No. And you will have a flap which is going out. You have to fold that like this so that it aligns with this edge. And now unfold. Do the same thing right here. Unfold when you have done. Now fold on this crease right here. And this crease right here. Lift up this flap. You will now have this crease, this crease, this crease and this crease right here. You have to pinch those creases so that it looks like a pyramid. When you are done, look inside the pyramid. You will have a flap right here and a crease right here. You have to fold on that crease both layers. Then on this crease right here. When you are done, fold on this crease right here, this diagonal, both the flaps. Unfold only the left flap and you have to reverse fold it. So first pinch it like this and now again fold on that crease like this on this crease and fold it down like this. Leave this flap. Now fold this flap to the right, unfolding the reverse fold. So it was like this. And now you have to flatten. Now do the same thing here, and I'm going to fast forward. Now lift up this flap, pinch on this crease and flatten on these two and on this crease. Fold the flap up like this. Same thing over here. And now fold this whole thing in half. Unfold and fold it in half in this direction. Unfold and fold it in half like this. And do the same thing like this. And now for the magic. I'm going to show you the magic now. Now you have to color it with a contrasting shade on this paper and follow the steps. First, inside. Turn over and now outside, okay? And now we are done. Now for the trick. When you have made this, before you go to show the magic, first you have to exercise it to make octahedron. So you have to first open these two flaps and do like this and pinch these two. And do that couple of times so that it exercises. And now you are ready. First, show the box and say, I have a box which is dash in color inside and dash in color outside. And turn over and make the opposite. And when you are done, and when they say, it is too boring, say, show a pop-up card. So how? Just push these two down and tell I have an octahedron. When they say no, it's not an octahedron, it's not an octahedron, say it's the side view of the octahedron, one side and the two side. You want all the 8 side. When they ask, just you have to pinch these two and it will automatically make an octahedron. And you can also make a green octahedron. Also turn it into a octahedron which is green in color. Thank you for watching Arman Space. Bye until the next video comes on Arman Space.